Breakfast is not most important meal of the day. When you eat matters more than what you eat. Hey guys, I'm Saurabh and in this video we will cover what is intermittent fasting, what are the benefits of intermittent fasting and some useful tips I have found over my 8-month experience doing it. Intermittent fasting means to restrict the eating window from around 8 to 12 hours. Not allowed to eat in the fasting window, you can only just drink water. But while in the eating window, you can eat anything you want and it does not matter. So those are the rules of intermittent fasting. So there are many benefits of intermittent fasting, from decreased load on pancreas and the digestive system, decreased oxidative stress, weight loss, increased autophagy and promotes healthy aging. So the most standard form of intermittent fasting is the 16-8 intermittent fasting, in which you have a 16-hour fasting period where you eat nothing, just drink water, and the 8-hour eating window when you can eat anything. There is also an alternate day diet in which you fast alternative days. There is the 5-2 diet in which you eat normally for 5 days and you fast for 2 days, limiting your calories from 500 to 800 calories per day. And there's the snake diet in which you only take one meal a day. That's pretty extreme, but yeah. Intermittent fasting is very simple and you should be able to adjust to it in a matter of 3-4 days. So some things I found out during the course of my 8-month journey with the intermittent fasting is you can drink coffee or tea during your fast, but without sugar and milk, of course. When I started out, I used to drink bulletproof coffee. So bulletproof coffee is just normal coffee. It's just coffee, water, and then when it heats up, you just put some unsalted butter in it. So that's the bulletproof coffee. It promotes ketosis and many more things. We will delve in another video. One more trick I found out was, if I was tempted to eat before my fasting window ended, I just would grab my phone if I want to break my fast during the fasting period. So it really chews up half an hour or nearly 1 hour of my time. Hey guys, if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content, and until next time,